Is it true that the Quran promotes discrimination against foreigners? This is a question that has been circulating for quite some time. But the truth is, this notion couldn't be further from the reality. So, where does this misconception stem from? It's time to debunk this myth and shed light on what the Quran truly says about foreigners and the concept of unity among humankind. The Quran does not refer to people from other parts of the world as foreigners without equal rights. Instead, it emphasizes the idea of ummah, a global Muslim community united by faith. This concept stresses the importance of treating all believers with respect and compassion, irrespective of their origin. A verse that distinctly underlines this concept of unity and equality is Quran 49:13. It states, "O mankind, indeed, we have created you from male and female and made you into nations and tribes that you may know one another. Indeed, the most honored of you in the sight of Allah is the most fearful of Him." This verse highlights that honor in the eyes of Allah is not based on worldly distinctions such as race, nationality, or wealth. Instead, it is piety and God consciousness that truly matter. But the Quran doesn't stop there. It further emphasizes the importance of kindness and compassion towards all individuals, regardless of their social status or origin. Quran 2:186 states, "And worship Allah and associate nothing with Him, and do good to parents and relatives, orphans and the needy, the neighbor who is near and the neighbor who is far, the companion and the traveler, and those whom your right hands possess. Indeed, Allah does not like those who are arrogant and boastful." This verse underscores the importance of treating everyone with kindness, from relatives and neighbors to travelers and those under your care. In conclusion, the Quran promotes unity, compassion, and equality among all humans, transcending borders, race, and nationality. It doesn't discriminate against foreigners or any individuals based on worldly distinctions. Rather, it emphasizes the importance of piety, good deeds, and treating all people with kindness and respect. So the next time you hear someone say that the Quran promotes discrimination against foreigners, remember these verses. It's more than clear that the Quran fosters a sense of unity and equality among all mankind.